welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to use always on display customization AOD on Realme P4x 5G. So friends, let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. Next you just need to search here on the search setting for the always on. Here you can see here is the always on display. Just click on it. Next, from here, if you activate the always on display, this is the activation. Here just need to be blue in color, and from here you can even select the wallpaper. If you set the always on display, you can personalize from here. Suppose I want to set this one, and you can even apply the color of your timing. If you want to set the timing, suppose I set into the yellowish, then click on apply, and now our screen will be on to always. Okay, so here I have just turned off, and let's see why it's not showing. Let's check it out again, and here in use, apply and move on setting, it says battery always on display will be turned off when the okay, it's not working right now since my battery percentage is at 5% and it will work only on 10%. That's why. So friends, I cannot show you in live, but you can set it up by following the steps. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.